Two tiny chipmunks chased each other between the trees.
How to create long AI videos on Grok. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, let's create a story first, and for that open up ChatGPT. And I have written this prompt, which is write a cute shortest story of two chipmunks playing in a jungle. And after getting this story, we will ask ChatGPT to give us the prompts as well. Then we will use Grok in order to create the or generate the videos. Perfect, we got the shortest story. Now let's ask ChatGPT to give us the image prompt. I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible so you're able to follow it up. We can add more variables to it in order to make it even better. So we got the three scenes from this prompt, and if we want to provide any particular image style, then we can also do that. Let's try it out. And I just provided the high quality anime style images. Let's see the prompts getting converted into these style. You can make changes according to your needs and requirements over here. So we are getting our scenes. We got almost three scenes for a 2-sentence story. So we will just simply copy this prompt and open up Grok. You can do it on mobile quite easily. So open up Grok, but don't open up Grok in your mobile application. Rather open up the browser and then use Grok in your mobile browser in the desktop mode, because we will use a setting which is not available on the Grok app. First of all, open up the settings of your Grok and select the option of behavior over here, and then make sure that you disable this particular option. Otherwise this will automatically generate the videos and you would not like these. So just do this. After that, select the option of create image over here, then type the prompt and make sure that you are on image section, and you can also select the aspect ratio according to your needs and requirements. For this we will select the 16:9, and after that just simply hit enter. Now Grok will give you a hell lot of images. Select the one that you like. They look almost similar. So we selected this one, and make video is by default over here. Now type the prompt again and go with this. So it will generate the video for this particular image. Wait for it, it might take a little while. And we got the video. Don't download it yet, because this is the reason why we chose to open up Grok on browser. Simply select three dots over here. Then here you get this option of upscale video. Simply click on upscale because we want the high quality video. And after it is turned to HD, we can simply click over here to download it. Now we will do a simple trick. For this, simply open up the downloaded video. Pause the downloaded video. Get to the last frame over here, where you can see these characters, both of them. And after that, take a screenshot of this. Now let's get back, and now we will just simply upload the screenshot that we took from the last video. Our screenshot is uploading and we just got the screenshot. Now what we will do is simply open up ChatGPT, and we will just simply copy the prompt and open up Grok again and paste the prompt over here and click on enter. So after waiting for a while, I got this video and it looks smooth, and we can simply edit this video or connect it with the earlier one in order to get a smooth transition, since we got the screenshot from this video. Now we will repeat the same process of upscaling before downloading this video. So let's upscale it, and we can see that it is in HD now. So we will just simply download it. After it is downloaded, we will just simply get back. And again, we just have to repeat the process, which is take a screenshot when two of these characters are in the frame. We got the screenshot. Now just simply upload that screenshot over here. Now get back to ChatGPT, copy the next prompt, open up Grok and paste the prompt. After that, just hit enter and let's wait for the video. And look how smooth this looks. Now we can combine all these 3 videos to make a story, and we can also add a voiceover if we want to. Let's upscale this video before downloading it. Now for the voiceover, simply copy this story, or you can ask ChatGPT to write the story in a narrative format so it can be narrated in a voice. After that, open up Google and search for Google AI Studio. Simply open up the very first link, click on Get Started, and here you would find this option of turn text into audio with Gemini. Simply select it. After that, select the option of single speaker audio, and you get different voices over here. Simply select the one that you like and just paste the text over here and click on run. And now it is ready. And if you want to download it, simply select this option and click on download. And after that, you can use any editing app in order to combine it, like CapCut, Final Cut Pro, Premiere Pro. It's all up to you. And let's check out the final result. But make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.
2 tiny chipmunks chased each other between the trees, laughing in squeaks. They tumbled into a pile of leaves, sharing a nut and a nap as sunlight danced through the jungle.